In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Wix. This is a crucial skill for boosting your website's visibility and improving your SEO rankings. Let's dive in and make your Wix site easier for people to discover online. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account and navigate over to your site's dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with this, the dashboard is essentially your control center within Wix, from where you can manage all aspects of your website. It's vibrant and user-friendly, designed to help you effortlessly access different features. Once you're logged in and have arrived at your dashboard, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next up, you'll want to find the Marketing tab. Once you click on Marketing, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select SEO Setup Checklist. This checklist is an essential tool provided by Wix that guides you through optimizing your website to perform better on search engines. A well-optimized website means more visitors, which can translate into higher engagement and even sales. So working through this SEO checklist is certainly worth your time. Now that you're in the SEO setup section, you'll see a field designated specifically for adding keywords. This is where you'll input the keywords that best describe your website's content or the services you offer. Keep in mind that you can add up to 5 keywords here. These keywords should be the terms you anticipate people will type into search engines to find your type of service or content. It's important to choose words that are both relevant and specific to what your website covers. To add these keywords, simply click on the pencil icon located at the end of the Keywords field. This icon signifies the ability to edit or add information. Once you've clicked it, go ahead and type in your chosen keywords. After you've inputted them, it's crucial to click Save to ensure that your changes are recorded in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully added keywords to your Wix site. This entire process only takes a few minutes, but the impact it can have on your site's visibility is significant. By following these steps, you are setting up your website to reach a wider audience and improving its chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Remember, optimizing your site regularly and updating your keywords as needed can help maintain and increase your visibility over time. Hopefully, these instructions were clear and you found the process straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your web presence. Have a fantastic day and happy optimizing.